In order to receive your refund under the 120-night trial, we have to receive the pump, air chambers, power supply, and remote controls along with any other items detailed on the RMA form associated with your return processing. Once you have unzipped the mattress and gained access to the air chambers, remove the air hoses from the top rail, ensuring that they were unclipped from the air control unit. The air chamber will have an airtight female connector held on with a retaining clip. The connector can be removed by releasing the clip with a flat object and then working the connector out from the hose. If you are unable to remove the clip or the connector, you can cut the braided hose with most kitchen scissors. With the connectors removed, press the air out of the chambers to prepare for packaging. Once the air has been removed, fold your air chambers and then roll the air control unit into the center so the air chambers act as a protective layer during transit. Make sure you package all the components detailed on your RMA form and take care to prevent damage in shipping. The rest of the mattress components can be disassembled and disposed of. If you are unable to dispose of the remaining materials, please ask our customer service team about other options.